Well, this is Tim here from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to format your SD card on your Android phone. So there's two different ways we can do this. The first way I'm going to show you is if we go to search and we type in files. And you want to go to My Files or Files, both are pretty much the same. My Files will be for your Samsung, Files will be for your other devices. So we can go to our SD card here under Storage and tap this right here. And then we can see in the upper right we have the option to unmount, which will pretty much disconnect it from our phone. We want to go to format. We can just format it right here and that will delete everything from it. So the other way that you can do this is if you go up to the top right and go to settings, scrolling down, and we are looking for storage. So on my phone, storage is located under device care. So I have a Samsung, so we can go to device care right here. Now what you want to do is go on down, go to storage, tap storage, then swipe to the right, and then here's our SD card. Go to the top right, hit the three little dots again, and we can go to format right there. And that will delete everything from it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.